Hello and welcome to another update video on HBAR. The price got rejected again from that important resistance area. So the parameters continue to be respected here, especially this area around 28 cents, as mentioned multiple times, continues to act as an important resistance area line. Yeah, it's not exactly one level. It's more like the area around 28 cents acts as resistance and very strong resistance, as explained multiple times in previous videos. So it's not an easy task to get through. The overall idea is still that we are here in this uptrend, and the blue scenario could take us to around about 50 to 66 cents. That's still the idea. And the pullback so far is in 3 waves. So we're going to take a look at the smaller time frame to talk about that. I would prefer that the price now holds above this green line. You will see that green line as well. On the smaller time frame, it's around 22.5 cents. That any break below that green line increases the probabilities that in the white scenario, a B wave formed the price top, and that we are on our way into the lower support region there, back to test those previous swing lows from June. That, however, is the alternative scenario. In our preferred interpretation, the market is in a more direct move to the upside and could really follow the blue scenario there to 39, 49, or even 66 cents up there. Yeah, so the blue scenario, the bullish count, is the preferred one. Now, the blue scenario itself can be kind of split into 2 variations, which you will see on the smaller time frame. The idea is that in this scenario, in the bullish scenario, the price either has already bottomed in an internal pullback on the 24th of July, that's the Thursday low from last week. Again, you see the green line here at around 22.5 cents. We're currently holding above that green line, which keeps the uptrend intact. And the idea is, if we really bottomed in this 4th wave and we're now in a 5th wave to the upside, then we could reach 33 cents to 39 cents pretty quickly. That would be confirmed further with a break, basically, over the Sunday high that formed here at around 30.6 cents. However, the downside momentum allows also for the interpretation that, and this is basically the same scenario, just a different variation of it, same outcome, same thesis. This is a wave 4 pullback, right? So in this orange scenario, the market might test the 24th of July low once more. And in this case, we had a 3-wave move down. We had a 3-wave move up. I can really only interpret this as a 3-wave move up anyway. So it might be a B wave top. And then this here could now be a C wave to the downside. If we see 5 waves down that reach 23.4 cents, then this is likely the orange wave C of 4, and the market might attempt another breakout. So it's just difficult to get above this 28 cent area here. Price got rejected again. And I think we talked about it only in yesterday's video or a couple of days ago. And I mentioned this is just a 3-wave move up. I have no real evidence that a substantial low has formed, but it's possible. But just be prepared for another dip into the support area if needed. If the price needs it, could easily happen. And then the 23.4 cent level is the next key level to watch there. I've added that today, actually. That's the 100% Fibonacci extension, and that is a very, very important level because a C wave often would reach that Fibonacci extension, 23.4 cents. So yeah, overall, not much change. We're still holding above support, which is amazing, and that keeps the overall uptrend intact, but the market might need a little bit more time before we start the upside breakout. That's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.